Couples had a very date at the weekend. Cairns' annual Wedding Expo proving the perfect place to plan that special day.
For all budding brides-to-be and their obliging grooms, this was a date not to be missed. From choosing that all-important cake to ensuring the big day translates picture perfectly. Cairns' annual Save the Date Wedding Expo providing a one-stop shop for wedding essentials. The expo, now in its third year, was also a fundraiser supporting local kids with autism.
We're supporting their fund and buying specialist equipment. We need to buy this equipment to help these children develop and integrate into our society.